Let's start. Today we will see how to implement a higher timeframe Trix in the TradingView Pine script. Let's see the code. This is an indicator function with the name multi-timeframe Trix. First of all, we take the user input for the length of the Trix. Then, we take the user input for the higher timeframe. The default value is set to the weekly timeframe. Here we find out the first smooth moving average using the close value as the source. We find out the second smooth moving average using the first moving average as the source. Then we find out the third smooth moving average using the second moving average as the source. And finally, we find out the change in the values of the third moving average and calculate the Trix indicator. Once that is done, we call the request.security function to calculate the higher timeframe Trix value. Here the first argument is the current stock name. The second argument is the higher timeframe that the user has selected. The third argument is the current Trix value. The fourth and the fifth values handle the gaps and the bar merge. And finally, we plot the higher timeframe Trix and a zero line. Let's add this indicator to the chart. As you can see, right now we are on the daily Bitcoin chart, and we are seeing the weekly timeframe Trix indicator. If a user wants, he can change the timeframe from this list. So that's it. That's how you can implement a multi-timeframe Trix indicator in the TradingView Pine script. Thank you.